Hi guys, hope you're doing well and welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we're going to take a look at DOGECOIN. Before we begin the analysis, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I will pin two links. One to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates and stay up to date with the signals we're taking in the premium group, and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about us and also check out the verified results from our premium signals group. So looking at DOGECOIN, this is a coin that's over the last week or last couple of weeks has made a really nice move, perhaps lagged behind a little bit some of the altcoins, but actually over the last day or so has shown more strength than most. Now we actually took an entry on this. It's made about 25% move since I entry. About my average entry is 68. Obviously, we're now trading around 84. But I still think this has got a lot of room to go. And the reason we took the initial entry, you may have seen this in one of my analysis videos, but we had this weekly downtrend breakout. It was pretty much a year to the date since it broke out. So this was flipped. We looked to enter on the retest down here, called really nice entry. We can also see at that zone, it was a previous key weekly support and resistance level. Resistance throughout here, resistance here, but also acted as a support a number of times too. So a 25% move from my entry, and we can see where we are now. This yellow line is the weekly 200 moving average. Now we can see it faced resistance at that level last week, and now looking to flip that. If we do flip that, obviously that's really bullish, and we can see even more continuation medium term. But if we sort of zoom out, and although we've got this downtrend here, if we actually zoom out, we can see this is all just part of a sort of, if I remove this line to make it clearer, this is still part of like a clear range, and we've not really, although it's made a 25% move, it's in, when you look at where the all-time high is, it's really done nothing yet. And this is one of those coins that probably in medium to long term has got potential to make a much bigger move. And really, if we look at sort of the past year, we've just had this really clean range. So realistically, where we are now is just a mid-range. So yeah, flipping the weekly 200 moving average here is going to be bullish, but where we're going to really start to see a move is if this zone is flipped here. So we can expect if this sort of 200 moving average is flipped, continuation up to around the 10-cent level here, but that's obviously going to be resistance. Flip that, and then we're looking up towards 15 cents. So another 50% move potentially once this has been flipped. For me, if we get any pullbacks to this old this old weekly resistance level around 65, I will still continue to add there. This chart is starting to remind me very much of what we've seen from Chainlink, and obviously we know how many times I've gone on about this. We've had this range on the weekly chart for well over a year, and then we got a breakout, and then once this was broken from, we've got like a 65% move from that point there. This is shaping up to be a very similar pattern for me. So if you're looking for a longer term hold, perhaps not a bad place to look at an entry around here now. But of course, a pullback to here is going to be ideal. But medium to long term, as I said, there's still, well, from where we are now, I think an easy 100% move still. So we could 2x just to fill this wick. But we can see, if we zoom out, how when the bull run comes, once this is flipped, there's levels up here. This is probably an easy 3 or 4x, in my opinion. During the next sort of 12 to 18 months. Hope you found this video useful, guys, and let me know in the comment section if you're holding Doge or if you're looking for an entry, and what your targets are for the long term. And I will see you on the next video.